All right, hello everyone, and we are here. I haven't done a video like this in a while with Irene In Nyc. My first time doing these videos again, but
wait, you could just flip it just in case, like
what?
So you can see yourself.
Yuki, hold on.
Yeah, this is him and his umbrella problem right here.
Damn it.
You see what skinny people have to go through?
Shut up. But yeah, anyway, we are here. Look at what happened here with the hurricane. Hurricane Irene has destroyed everything. It was like the only humans right now walking around. But then again, you have cars here, so at least we're not all alone. But yeah, we haven't done a video like this in a while, so we got to see the whole crew back. Well,
Half the crew.
yeah, we missing Joanne. But yeah, and here's some people walking over here. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, Hurricane Irene strike. What time did you strike you? I think it was this morning, like around 2. No, 9 o'clock. No, yeah, 8 o'clock yesterday.
Yesterday was worse than this.
It was last night.
Right.
But yeah, it struck yesterday at like 9 o'clock. We went to sleep. I went to sleep like around 2, and then all of a sudden my mom woke me up talking about all the power's out. I just woke up in complete darkness. I didn't see nothing was going on. And then it was, oh my god, my brother. But yeah, anyway, back to what I was saying. Yeah, so we on our way walking to Pathmark, and this wind is crazy. And we the only people I know who do extreme stuff, just like the whole blizzard we had last.
Yeah, the blizzard.
Yeah, last winter. Yeah, that was even worse than this. But I'm kind of scared to walk under these trees because I don't want anything to fall on top of me.
So you're gonna one of your kind gonna fall on top of you.
You said, shut up.
That's a barrel.
But anyway, wait, I'm missing a piece. What the hell happened to the battery?
Oh shit.
Damn, I think it fell. Anyway,
Over there?
I hope it's in my pocket. But yeah, anyway, yes.
In the middle street just in case they fall.
You wanna walk in the middle? Yeah, alright, I'm kinda scared of these trees, so we all gonna walk into the middle of the highway. You know, the highway right now. Where the highway going to Ozone Park. And I just wanted to make this video so y'all can all see what's going on right now. I'm just mad because but yeah, I'm just mad because you know, everyone over in the west side is enjoying nice weather right now. And we over here, this crazy blizzard, whatever, hurricane, sorry, and tornado mixed together, whatever they're supposed to be. And it's just crazy.
They're like two Pokemon mating.
The only reason why I like this is because it reminds me of a fantasy game, you know, having fun, just walking around and things like that. But yeah, so we're on our way to Pathmark, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I have no power in my house, so I'm hoping that when we get back home, that kind of this thing will be able to restore our power, and then I'll be able to
play Halo, Vindictus.
Yeah, right. You could go play Halo and Vindictus.
If not, no school for me.
Yeah, and I have school tomorrow, which I was supposed to start this weekend, but you know that all came to an end because the hurricane has extended my summer even longer. But yeah, here we are outside. Y'all can all see.
I'm wet.
Yuki's wet. Well, not really. I have my umbrella, even though it's about to break.
You stabbed in my head like, whoa.
What happened?
You stabbed in my head, whoa.
Oh, sorry. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video, you know, to let everyone see what's going on. That we're the only crazy extremists to actually go out here and do something stupid like this. But
nothing. Thursday brother was worse than this.
Yeah, that is true.
I remember the backyard was slush.
Damn. But yeah, anyway, so we're going to Pathmark to chill with some other kid of Yuki, one of Yuki's friends. Maybe I could go in Pathmark and steal some of their power so I could charge my phone. And that's about it. So I don't want to make this video too long, so I just really wanted to show y'all what's going on. Oh my god, the wind is getting reversed.
I was giving you a break, thank you.
But yeah, anyway, as you can see, look at that, the cars is driving past. I feel like a news report out here right now.
I'm turning into the news. We're here to report about Hurricane Irene.
But I don't think it's as bad as it was early last night when the power went out. Because my mom said she heard some crazy noise or something. Oh my god. This wood is crazy. This umbrella is expensive. But yeah, anyway.
I can see it's still fighting.
Yeah, it is fighting. A little cheap umbrella that I broke a long time ago. But yeah, anyway, so.
Thank God I don't have
Well, we're on our way there, so when we get there, we'll let you all know what happened. So,
The weather's not gonna kill me, but this umbrella.
alright, I'm sorry about the umbrella. I'm down for this. But anyway, so we'll be back and show you what else happened in a little update. Alright, see you all later. Alright, we're back with continuation. We got the update going on. Well, so far, not really nothing serious. There's some crazy winds, and we still see a whole bunch of tree branches all over the floor. And right now we are in Queens. Ozone. Half mark right there. Supposed to go to the Still Connection, but that didn't go well. And I'm still here with you. Like busy doing something. And we're here with our special guest today, Lee. And that's pretty much it. I don't really see anything going on. It seems like a regular tropical storm and nothing really serious. And pretty much it. Mm-hmm. Well, the rain has stopped, so that's a good thing.
What is that, Barbie? $5?
I've never been back this side. I always on the front.
$5.
$5 for what? Oh, Barbara? Probably not even good. But yeah.
It looks like you've been there for a while, though. These are one of those old time. What's back there?
But yeah, anyway. So.
Is that a wall back there?
Yeah, I think that's a wall. I don't know what it is. I've never even been over here before. But yeah, so like I said, we're in some park and the winds are picking up. But as you can see, there's nothing really serious. Like, this is what I was saying. Like, it's a regular old tropical storm. I don't really see. I don't know what we're doing. We just walk around. I don't really see the difference going on, but I don't know. It just seems like a regular tropical storm, right, Yuki?
This is not.
This is
babies blowing more wind.
He said you see babies blowing more wind. But yeah, anyway, I'm kind of afraid to be under these, trees everywhere. What the hell is that? He said alien. It do like alien pods. But yeah, anyway, I was saying, yeah, everyone went crazy. They emptied out all my supermarkets, and that pissed me off because, like I said, nothing really that bad going on. That's if a tree branch doesn't fall on top of our head, but what is that? Alright, now it's even getting more windier now. Well, yeah, anyway, so I'm still thinking that everyone's alright. I hope when I get back home, we have our power back.
I just hope it don't rain when it's like going back home.
I know, right?
We should go to this.
Maybe, oh, okay. So, nothing else really to show. I just want everyone to see. Yeah, this. Well, I'd rather the wind than all the rain. At least the rain stops, so I don't have to walk my umbrella anymore. I know, right? My God, it's her kid me trying to push you down. Break your back. Oh, there's Pizza Hut, my favorite place over there. But yeah, anyway. It's pretty much all I wanted to show, so we're gonna go on our way. I don't want to make anything too long and boring. So, yeah. Here's me and you reporting live for whatever's going on, tropical storm. And
we're gonna put somebody in this car and we're gonna push them.
You actually, I guess Lee should go. No, I don't want to go in there.
I'm about to pick your ass up and put it in.
Why?
Somebody having a car, we have to do something. I'm bored.
Yeah, we are bored, but
get in the car.
I'm recording.
Get in the car.
No, Lee, get in the car. You can't record it. All right, I'm getting in.
Alright, get in the car. Lee. Alright, this is the soapbox derby here in Hurricane Irene. Yay, go ahead. Pushing this old man. Go somewhere.
Show everybody what's going on.
Push him, how fast? Come back. Psst. Psst. Lee. Lee. Where he going? Psst. Lee. Come back. They're probably gonna kick him out if he's still in the cart.
Wait. What's that place? Flip it over. Let's go the other way. Yeah, this film is too crazy.
Damn, this wind is strong. Where is it? How was it?
It was fun. It was really fun. I think you should go in there.
How was it, Lee?
It
was alright.
They said it was alright.
We are crazy. Wait, anyway, we gotta go. Looking at us. Y'all later. Who was looking at us?